Hello everyone. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we will talk about very important and basic topic of data science. I am sure you guys must observe some charts while watching TV or reading newspaper. You must have seen various graphs on social media sites, magazines, medical reports or any other document. So yes, today we will learn about data visualization. In this video, we will try to understand the meaning of data visualization, why data visualization is very crucial step in data science, which graph should be preferred under which scenario, and various tools available for data visualization. So, data visualization or graphical exploratory data analysis is the easiest way of data summarization and representation. It is an art and science of translating the data into meaningful information. Visualization can be done using simple and traditional graphs to the most advanced graphical representation. The main objective of data visualization is to make data easier to understand and identify the patterns and trends in the data. And it can be understood by almost audience of any background. So data visualization is very important because it helps us to understand data in a better way by studying its pattern, trends, studying the relationship between variables, and because it is very easy to understand, this is very helpful in understanding big data in very less time. So this is the fastest way of summarizing big data. There are various graphs available. Some of the easiest and most frequently used graphs are pie chart, bar graphs, column charts, line graph, histogram, box whisker plot, and scatter plot. Which graph we should use under which scenario depends upon the objective of our study. So, if suppose we want to study the composition of our variable, okay, so if our objective is to study composition, then we can use stack bar graphs, 100% stack bar graphs, pie charts, or donut charts. Similarly, if we want to study the distribution of our data, then we can use histograms, bar diagrams, scatter plots, or box of whisker plots. If our objective is comparison, we want to compare our data, then we can use clustered bar graphs, line graphs, column graphs, or table with embedded chart. And if our objective is to study the relationship between two or more variables, then we can use scatter plots, or bubble plot. Okay. There are various data visualization tools available like Tableau, Microsoft Power BI. We can use ggplot2 in R, matplotlib in Python. We can also use Microsoft Excel, which is easily available for all of us. Okay, so in this series, we will learn how we can make data visualization using Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel. So please keep watching, keep learning. And if you have any query, please keep me posted. Thank you. Let's meet next week.